Now, the next question is for the experienced candidates, will my previous experience be considered when I want to get into SAP? So that is a big question, right? So you will need to take on a course in SAP, which is so much trending right now and hit the industry. That is the one very important thing that you guys have to do. So if you take a normal course and hit the industry, there are out there hundreds of freshers who is ready to take the job for a lesser pay. So the best thing to do is choose the most niche course that we are going to see as the top 10 trending courses in the last slide, and choose that kind of a course and hit the industry, because the number of people who will be competing for that particular module will be very less. You will have an opportunity to take that particular job. Now, 100% required thing for the experienced candidates who wants to start a job in SAP industry is earn a certification. Since you're starting late, you need to do all that is necessary to be highlighted. So a certification will do that highlighting for you. As we have seen all the benefits before, a certification always adds a star to your profile. You must gain a certification if you are starting late, which would add really, really a big star in your profile. And you have to keep your knowledge up to date, because that's a key thing to do to have better opportunities. So enroll for an e-learning in SAP. I've told you what are the e-learning options that are available. One is Open SAP to keep you in the current trend. One is SAP Learning Hub, which is very good, where all the e-learning contents are available. So this is where you have to start, and this is how you have to project yourself, and this is how you have to keep yourself updated. I hope I've answered that question, and if you have more question, you know how to reach me, and we'll see you in the next session.